Guys, this is my video log number 4. End of the day, some decent profits during the week. Could have done a lot better. So let's review the trade which I did today on ETRM. Stock was in play. I'm not sure what news it was on there, but had some kind of news on it. So let's see how we did. So I started trading this stock at 12. So sometime in the afternoon. I didn't really have much time to trade in the morning, so in the afternoon I had some chance. It's a slow Friday, so when I don't have a lot of commitments, that's when I actually trade. I trade part time, right? I don't trade full time. So I have scanners such a way that I'm able to trade part time based on my profits and based on how much time I have. So start trading at 12 o'clock. So let's see what's going on in ETRM. All right. Okay, so 12 o'clock is somewhere around here. Right, 12 o'clock. So, thought process number one. On the daily chart, it was gapping in a zone where there has been just no resistance, right? You don't see any candles on the daily. Intraday, the stock had an up move, came back in, got bought back up, got a flush down again. So, seems like whoever is trying to short this name was, if somebody shorted on this first pullback, they probably got stopped out. Retried it again, they probably got stopped out again. Sorry, they shorted again, thinking for a big move down, which didn't really happen because it held the 636 level, and then it had a slow grind over here, right? Now this stock went from 665 all the way to 765, so it was almost a dollar move. Whoever was trying to look for the breakout through the 760, 725 level, chances are once they try to play this breakout, they would have got stopped out all over again, right? Because this breakout won't really hold. The reason being is a dollar move. I mean, how much more can it go? So it had this shakeout, which is under the which is high on this is 773. High on this is about 780. So somewhere around 775, 780 region is really the region to really look at. Um, so we so I started seeing this stock actually over here, right? Uh, this candle, there's no way I was gonna go get into this one, and then the next three candles is when it started to break out. 763, it broke out, and this is the 5-minute chart. So for trading, we use multi time frame analysis. So we also look at the 15-minute chart. How is the 15-minute going to be setting up? So this is what was happening on the 15. It was three candles up. Chance of it breaking out on 775. The fourth candle is highly unlikely. Just when this candle started up at 12 o'clock, that's when I knew, you know what, if this were to break over the 775, chances are it might actually start taking off. One mistake I did was actually start taking profits quick. Something I need to concentrate on. Trading a small account, so I'm a bit hesitant on actually holding it longer because there's a bit of fear of letting the profits run out. So actually take some quick profit. Got in at 772. Starting profit 785, 795, 8. So average is about 795 I took out. And then this stock actually just ran. It ran through 965. So I missed out on this complete big move, right? Lesson learned. Depending on, I'll tweak my strategy a bit next week and see how things are. Overall, I'm not 100% satisfied with the way I've been taking profits, but I'll do some tweaking and see if we can increase the profits next week. So have my fingers crossed on it. So let's see what's going on. So this was the first trade. Second trade was when I saw this stock started flagging, right? Once the stock started flagging, I thought, you know what? If this stock starts flag on any kind of up move through 730s, it's gonna break. So I tried to preempt the trade. Let's take a look. So I preempted the trade over here, hoping for it to break, but actually came down hard. That's when I got stopped out. My second attempt was again, I tried to preempt the trade after this big up move in the candle. That, you know what, if this starts going, this is the candle that's actually gonna go. stopped out all over again. Uh, and the final move was which came about after 130. And this is when the move actually happened. Not a really big move. I was hoping for a bit bigger, especially after the strong fight on this 930 level. There's a strong fight on this 930 level. It's not even jokes. Um, so the strong fight, I thought it was actually going to start pushing through tens. Didn't really happen. All in all, initially I had a profit about $113, which came down to $37. Right, so I gave back some profits over there. Um, and then this is pretty much the story. Try to look for a break over 830. Didn't really go. Flushed right back down, and at the end of the day, it got bought back right up. So overall, not a really productive day, but I'll try to improvise on my profit taking. I'll try to take some profit quick, and then probably leave some shares depending on what kind of stock it is, how long I have in terms of my other commitments, and try to see if I can hold on to it for just an extra 5 minutes or 10 minutes. See if my progress is going to increase or not. Right? Something to learn on in trading. We learn every day in trading. So any questions? Give me a follow on Twitter or StockTwits at WatchlistStock, or email me at swatchlist@gmail.com. If you like the video, feel free to subscribe, and I'll be doing a video tomorrow going through my whole week analysis and see what could be done better. Yeah, so if you like the video, feel free to subscribe and like the video. That's it for the day, guys. Have a good one.